Most data protection vendors, partners, and service providers talk about cyber resilience, data resilience, maybe even good old-fashioned IT disaster recovery. The goal is to protect a modern server infrastructure combined with more cloud-based applications than you probably want to admit. The foundation of that resilience strategy is usually one or more backup solutions designed to protect the myriad modern workloads within IT. But what about OT? Operational technology. It's easy for IT folks to assume that those 100 Windows 7 or Windows XP machines don't have much data on them, and they're probably right. But those little platforms are driving your manufacturing floor, your oil pumps, your health monitors, and millions of other capabilities that your business cannot afford to be without. In the 30 plus years that I've been doing this, I've rarely seen a data center IT backup technology successfully applied to OT devices. One, most IT software vendors don't want to deal with supporting legacy OSs, and I get it. But those OSs are purpose-built and deployed in such a way that it makes no sense for those vertical vendors to deliver the latest 2025 build of Windows 11. Just as important, OT deployments don't have technicians ready to jump into action. In fact, in many cases, those devices may not even be directly connected to the internet. So the requirements for preventing disruption and assuring recovery are inordinately different. To be fair, the same way that most IT resilient solutions won't be effective in protecting and recovering OT, best-of-breed OT solutions probably aren't as good a fit for the modern IT data center or clouds. And that's okay. What is not okay is to plan for your organization's resilience from ransomware and disasters and every other bad thing without considering the OT systems that your business relies on and quite possibly aren't anywhere in your resilience strategy. Most environments have a primary data center backup solution, and they usually supplement that with something for virtualization, for 365, for other production clouds. My guess is that the forward-thinking environments are probably also supplementing for the protection of their OT systems as well. And if that's you, I'd love to hear what you're using and why. So send me a message, an email, or leave your comments below.